Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a JPA repository for our entity in Spring Boot. Alright, as you can see, we've already created the employee entity. If you're not sure how to create an entity in Spring Boot, check out the video linked on the screen. In fact, I highly recommend watching the entire Entity Manager playlist. It'll help you build a solid foundation before moving ahead. Alright, let's now create a JPA repository for our employee entity. Create a new interface here. Let's call it Employee JPA Repository. Now let's extend this interface to JPA Repository. Like we discussed in the last video, JPA Repository is the most powerful and widely recommended interface in Spring Data JPA. It gives you everything out of the box: CRUD operations, pagination, sorting, and even support for custom JPQL or native queries, all in one place with zero boilerplate. See, it takes two generic types. The first one is the entity class. The second is the type of the entity's primary key. Now let's pass the two required types to JPA Repository. First, we pass employee, because that's our entity class. Second, we pass long, because our primary key is employee ID, and it's of type long. Just a quick note, use the wrapper class long, not the primitive long, because generics in Java only work with objects, not primitives. Alright, now let's annotate this interface with that repository. This tells Spring that this interface is a repository component and it should handle it as part of Spring's component scanning. It's not always strictly required, because Spring Data automatically detects interfaces that extend JPA repository. But adding at repository can help with exception translation and improve clarity in your codebase. And that's it. Our employee JPA repository is now created and ready to use. We can directly perform any CRUD operation like save, find by ID, find all, delete by ID, and more, without writing a single line of implementation code. Spring Data JPA will handle everything behind the scenes for us. Now if you look closely, JPA repository actually extends multiple other interfaces, like list CRUD repository, list paging and sorting repository, and query by example executor. So you're getting the combined power of all these in one place. We already discussed these in the previous video, so if you haven't watched that yet, I highly recommend checking it out for more context. Alright, thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we'll see how to insert an employee record using this employee JPA repository. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.